Right about this time tomorrow, Maryland's stricter face mask mandate goes into effect. Officials say the mask, in addition to social distancing, really are the best defense in slowing the spread of COVID-19. Baltimore City positive cases are on the rise. WMAR 2 News' Dave Detling talked with city officials today about this tougher stance.
Well, the city could fine you a $5,000 fee if you're found not wearing a face mask, but it appears the city doesn't want to go that route. And talking to a city spokesperson, it seems they're just asking the public to do the right thing.
According to state data, as of July 28th, the city's positivity rate was 6.2%. This is 1.4 percentage points higher than the state's at 4.8%.
During a press conference Thursday, Baltimore Health Commissioner Dr. Letitia DeRosa called the city's COVID-19 trend alarming. The best defense at curbing those numbers, according to the city and state, wearing a face mask and practicing social distancing. Come tomorrow, face masks will be required statewide for anyone over the age of 5. They must be worn in all indoor public buildings, including restaurants, houses of worship, gym, casinos, stores, and office buildings.
The face masks add that additional layer of protection when socially distancing isn't possible.
Despite the request, there are plenty of people not wearing face masks when out in public spaces. Right now, Baltimore City is not enforcing the mask mandate. Technically, you could be fined $5,000 for not wearing a mask, but a city spokesperson said they don't want to fine citizens during a pandemic, especially with so many Baltimoreans already out of work.
But yes, we're asking everyone to be a responsible steward. I think we all have a responsibility to everyone in our community to make every effort to slow the spread of COVID.
With COVID-19 cases increasing in the city, WMAR 2 News asked the health commissioner if she'd advise the mayor to shut down restaurants and tighten restrictions citywide. Dr. DeRosa said right now there's no need, but should data suggest otherwise, she'd make the call.
From a health perspective, I think we definitely need to heavily consider it. And the mayor and senior leadership team has to consider multiple factors. But certainly as the public health official, that's my recommendation would be to look at all of the restrictions that we can put in place to kind of get us back to where we were before.
As for that steep fine for not wearing a face mask, a city spokesperson says city council is looking at reducing that fine so that they can enforce it. Now, other than a city restaurant being shuttered for not following COVID-19 guidelines, it appears no individual has been singled out. In Baltimore, Dave Detling, WMAR 2 News.